real answer. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys about when I was playing hot fruit. So I decided that I must show you this video on the 31st, as we are left with few hours to enter into 2024 next year. I wish you all the best on 2024. I wish you all the best, and then all the hard work you have to work hard in order to achieve something. If you have some any goals that you have for you guys to achieve it, you have to work hard. All of us, I wish you guys all the best. And then next year we are going to be playing the chart, so we're going to be doing a lot of things. We are going to change a gear next year. Is a year of changing a gear. We are going to change whatever that we have been trying to do. We are going to do it in another way. Like we are going to be on another level that we have never been in that level before. So guys, I wish you all the best and happy new year, everyone. And let me know if you are enjoying, how are you enjoying, where are you enjoying, and then stay safe, guys. Drink responsible. Wherever you go, stay safe, and let me know, guys, how are you enjoying this when we are crossing over to 2024. I'm also going to enjoy playing with and doing my experience, and then whatever, a lot of things. I'm going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to also share with you guys in the comment. And if you are a new member in this channel and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. And next year is going to be how are you guys, and then so let's get back to what we do. So guys, I'm going to show you guys what I've been playing here. I've been playing on hot fruit. So on this hot fruit, this is what happened when we play it. We got a spin. I got a spin. It's a 6 games. Let's see how much this 6 game is going to give us. Okay, seems like it won't give us anything. Okay, this might be huge, guys. And then this is a 7-run bet, guys. This is a 7-run bet. This is a 7-run bet. 7-run 50. It is a 7-run 50 bet. So let's see what is going to happen. How much is going to give us. We got a lot of those fruits there, so there are so many, and I think we still have more than 3 games. This is 270. Yeah, we still have more than 3 games. Again, let it be hot. Let it be hot. We are winning 277 rand so far. So guys, if you are a new member and you haven't subscribed in this channel, kindly subscribe, support us. Your support is highly appreciated, and really appreciate everybody who subscribe to my channel. And guys, when it comes to giveaway, I'm going to start giving away in January next year, 2024. I'm going to be on another level next year. Trust me, guys, we are going to be on another level, like the way we started this channel. And I really want to appreciate everyone who is watching my videos, everyone who supported me in this channel. Is a master. We want to be with you. I really appreciate everyone who is still here. Many people started this channel. We started with many people this channel together, and I really appreciate you guys. To be honest, I really love you guys. And then let me know, guys. Just talk to me. I love reading your comments. I love understanding, talking to you guys. And then I hope everything is well with you guys. Podcast. Let me know how you are doing this, how you are crossing over 2024. Let me know that in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe, to like and share these videos. So guys, happy new year, guys. And it was not an easy year. I don't want to play it. Should I just show you guys? This is what exactly happened, guys. I'm gonna also show you another one after this one. I won 600, but it was on 3 rand bet. I will show you not today, some other day. So it's going to be a video of the other day. So guys, this was so nice, you know. It's not easy in hot food sometimes to win, you know, like it was at first when I started playing Hollywoodbet. was my favorite game. I used to win a lot, sometimes 4,000, but it came a time whereby I was losing. Like I dramatically think, actually I thought, no, this game is not like, it's not good at for me. That's when I found Silent Spell. Now Silent Spell is like, it's turning its back on us. But there was a hope in what gave us what we needed. So this is what I loved about what guys. Sometimes it pays well, and sometimes if you decide to take, it takes. But it's above all, it's gameplay, so we must learn to get responsible. So be responsible. So do not forget to like and share. Give me all those like for 2024, as we are left with few hours. I think we're left with more or less than 9 hours to enter, or less than 10 hours to enter into 2024. We're left with less than few hours. Fantastic. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are a new member, if you are subscribe, and then support the channel. Even when you subscribe, let me know in the comment section that I just subscribed. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next section. So let's see how much did we win. Our biggest win. This is my biggest win also in Hollywoodbet. I will catch you guys in the next section. Have a good day. Bye.